Here, good morning. Here I will show you how to check the EBS. So this is an optare solo midi bus 2019 model. I will on the master and the ignition. This EBS should be eliminated, but it's still a warning. So this one, we need to check this one by pressing the toggle switch. Toggle switch is in here. If we click it's 1, 2, 3, should be a blinking. But no, it's not blinking. So that we can know the fault code. Because in here we can count, but no, nothing is. See? It's not blinking. It's a problem. No, it's not blinking also. So so what we do now? It's not blinking. So I go to the diagram. This is the fault code, the error fault code. See, if one blink, no failure. There's 2:1. There's air gap like this, like that. All this one, but it's no showing fault code. It's not blinking. So what to do? So we check all possible. So this is the switch. Maybe the toggle switch is not working. The switch or this one. See? Override switch, ABS diagnose. This one. Check this ground. Check. You can check this switch. But first, if this one is good, then we can go now to the fuses. Check the fuse. The fuse if I have a supply. And then after the fuse, we can check the speed sensor, all the speed sensor. So, but yeah, all full speed sensor. This is the ECU. The ECU, this one. ABS fault code. This ABS fault code going to the diagnostic switch. Brake signal and WSSDR, WSSDR positive. This is a signal going to the ABS full speed sensor rear right. This is specified here all. This one. Check this one. I'm checking this one. So I have my multimeter here. And first I check the fuses if any broken. So in here you have a specification of where the fuse is at. So here ABS ignition and also 15 ABS. So here you can check by multimeter. You can check by resistance or voltage. It's meter voltage. The voltage is coming. So is it 15 or 14? This one put 2. So we have here a 25 volt. So yes, the wire is good going to fuse. You can check also in the EBS signal here. This one, red one, it's the main supply from ECU. Then we can check all the signal here of the EBS speed sensor and the modulator. Here we can only check here. We can check here and we can check also downside at the sensor, near at the sensor connector. Because if here is a good and this wire is going to downside in the sensor, we check also the voltage downside or the continuity or the volts if there's coming. If no, we can suspect a wire is cut or grounded. So I go downside. I go downside. RTA workshop. So here is the cable of the ABS sensor. Rear right. Because I check all front and front. I check. This one I check. This one. The sensor is power is good. And this one is no power coming. Here power is no coming. I will put the voltage. I will check the voltage here. No coming. Okay, I will put my multimeter. Here nothing. It's nothing. Nothing. There should be a 4 bolt in here. But in the ECU, there is a bolt. So it means this wire is, sometimes this one is bending. Here problem. I bend like this, power is coming. That's why here is loose. This one is for vibration. This one is getting vibrated, and it will lose the wire here. It will lose the connection here. So I have now the idea. One more. This one is I need to replace this one because here is assembly. This is direct to ECU. This cable. We cannot repair this one. Even though we can repair, but it's better. This is for warranty because it's 2019. We are taking the warranty. They are cleaning this one. That's why water is coming. Optare solo midi bus. So I show you the diagram. I check all this supply. See, all this supply is hub. This supply also, this fuse going to the ECU hub. So what an idea is, there's no, it's not showing a fault code. There's no blinking in it. So this is a one more problem because we cannot decide what we are checking directly. So I check all one by one, and I found this wheel speed sensor rear right is here. In here we have voltage at the ECU, but in here nothing. And sometimes is I will bend the wire, it's coming. So I guess, and I'm sure this one is loose in here. So this cable is replaced. This cable should be replaced, this one. And after that, we can check now the switch of the diagnostic, this one, because if I will put this switch, I'll put like this, there's no show blinking, so that we can know what we are checking for. Because I check the signal from here is coming. There's a signal in here, a voltage. So if a voltage is coming, ground is good, so we need to check the switch, replace the switch itself. So this is a sample of my work. This one is a PM, preventive maintenance, 28 days, every 28 days. This additional job card in here. Rear right, rear left outer tire worn out. Check all brake pads. This one, CCTV inspection, placing all points. So I finished checking this one, this brake pad. I check all the brake pad. The brake pad is still good. The sensor is still good. Everything is good. So this is the manual of the optare service manual solo. So, okay, and this is my sample of my work here in a RTA workshop, Dubai. Okay, my battery now is low. My one battery is draining. Okay, and I hope you have an idea on how to test the EBS without showing a fault code. Thank you.